joke cookies so the colors would match my mane. And I'm gonna
Said that Rockwell was experimenting on a monkey.
And?
Well,
few and far between. And what if we never find another one?
And a real numbskull.
And
Good. Yeah, Raph. Not bad for a bloated buffalo. Okay, Raph is all wise and powerful.
And
And he's better than me in every possible way!
and the heart. Yeah, and it's
And she does a terrible cat impression. And we
and out.
And in the history of the universe.
Do it again.
and
And